Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Again, we're going to draw some more free body diagrams. In problem 37, we have another jib crane that has a support supported over on this end here and has a boom coming off here. The load that it's carrying is acting at some distance away from the support structure. And then on the supports, we have bearings. And on the top we have a bearing that can support thrust and radial loads, and at the bottom we have a bearing that can just support radial loads. In problem 39, we have a beam supported by two springs. In this case we have a reaction at the one end, a spring force at the other end, and then another spring force at a point along the length. 1/3 the way in from this end. In 41, we have this bulkhead that has a distributed load over on this side from water acting, and then has a distributed load on this side from soil acting. There's a cable here to help support the bulkhead from falling over. We're told to assume that we have a pinned force here, a pin joint here, so we have two reaction components on this side. We have the weight of the bulkhead, and we have, and again what we would do is we'd replace these with equivalent point loads that would be, I guess both of them would be, well, one of them would be 1/3 of this distance up, and one of them would be 1/3 of the total distance up. In 42, we have an inclined bar that has a load attached to the end of it, and another load attached somewhere along the length. And then we have a cable that's attached to the end here to help support it. And then we have a pin joint at this end to support the other side. So again, we have three unknowns here, three unknown force components.